Malkhung khuni lahar patimungo Malkhung khungsa Philjagwi Thangkha kakrabon duchi kola anjayo o patimungo Khoroknwi Khoroktham shak derakha kakrabon to Udaipur thamoni lahar kakrabon duchi kola anjayo lahar patimung patikha shoimanka bolero Malkhung bai Maruti Suzuki Malkhung Thuthaiwi o lahar patimung patikha ababai bolero Malkhung yak arilai lahar kiraro tongma nogo thangai Thuthaiwi kya tei Maruti Suzuki Malkhung ke Philjagwi Thangkha o lahar patimungo Khoroknwi Khoroktham shak dokumanka hani shoimanka logorikuna kakrabon horbothane brindiara koktema manke patima thayo phai horbothane brindiara ashak dirajak rongna kakrabon shakam nogo telangi thangka
অবস্থা জানি আদা হল এটা একটা সিস্টেম হলো কোনটা এটা একটা সিস্টেম নে কোনটা ওখানে গাড়ি আছে জাম আছে গাড়িটা দেখেছে গাড়িটা পুরো জন্য কোন এটা কোথায় এটা আমরা এটা পুলিশ কেস হইবো পুলিশ কেসটা হলো বাদ আসলে পুলিশ গাড়ি আছে পুলিশ গাড়ি আইবো এর জাম পুরো ব্লক করে দিতে না নাম্বার জয়েন করে হ্যাঁ দাদা তুমি গাড়িটা করে নাও এটা বিল দিলাম আপনি হ্যাঁ
Khulumka hasani lukurangno nogni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nowabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayung bermni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray khi suti cough test khayrni bagai namashak shep shap tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo buirongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na Chennai ni specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebashina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokdok number 7085256702 tekise kokdok number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo Khungnwi hospital login sulai oro kisa rangbai no kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo tai bo kaham kai saimannani bagui tin hospital o phai visit khlaimano hambai.